It's BodyBreak with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Hiking in the Canadian Rockies can be challenging, and it's also challenging to get enough fiber in our diet, and it's not just at breakfast.
However, these apple Bran Muffin cookies are a great way to increase your fiber intake during the day, and the recipe's simple. Start by whisking together 2 egg whites, 125 milliliters of brown sugar, and 75 milliliters of light margarine. Stir in 300 milliliters of 100% bran cereal. This will provide you with the majority of fiber in each cookie. Now include 300 milliliters of unsweetened apple juice and let stand for 5 minutes to soften. Then dice 1 apple and 125 milliliters of raisins. In another bowl, mix 250 milliliters of all-purpose flour and the same amount of whole wheat flour, 15 milliliters of baking powder, and 15 milliliters of cinnamon. Stir in the cereal mixture and blend just until the batter is moist. On a non-stick baking sheet, spoon out enough for 16 cookies and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. There's nothing wrong with having a treat, especially if it's low in fat and high in fiber.
Eating more fiber, whether at breakfast or in a snack, can help improve your digestive system and make you feel full longer. So until next time, keep fit and have fun. Come on, Hal, you're slowing down.
BodyBreak.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.